Yeah, it's not too bad. That was nice. That's a good view. Okay, so we are headed to Tractor Supply to go pick up some canning jars. It's like 45 minutes away, and we got Josh driving for us because he's amazing. But yeah, that's what we're doing right now. So we're just driving through this like really pretty area. So that's all.
That looks like a horse pasture or a cow pasture.
You think it's horses or cows?
I meant cows, but it could be horses. Oh, they have. I think cows.
Do you see any cows?
No.
Oh man, this just keeps going though.
It looks like cows, doesn't it?
Yeah, I think it could be cows. Or well, I mean, it could really be either one.
I always live in the moment. So much. And I threw my phone away. Smells like
Diesel.
tar.
Tar.
You smell that?
Oh well, they just paved that road right there. That's a nice Tractor Supply and Dollar General. So these are ducks. I thought these looked like ducks. I was like, what's up with these chickens? Oh my goodness. They did not have canning jars, so that was unfortunate, but they did have baby chicks and ducks, so. We're now at Walmart. We're gonna see if we can find canning jars at Walmart, because Tractor Supply let us down. So, let's see if they have them. We found canning jars. I'm gonna show you guys. Boom, shakalaka, and lids. It's a win-win. We're gonna go check out. Fuel for the drive home. So she said they just bought it. I think it came out of. It